Quick round the table. First muna kay Doc. Biggest difference between road riding and trail riding, just based on today, kahit just based on today.
Nakakatuwa habang nagra-ride.
You mean ibang klaseng fun?
Ibang klaseng fun. Habang nakabike ka, nakangiti ka ng malaki.
Ayan. Ayan. I've never seen a jogger na nakangiti. Parang ganon. That's all I need to know about that, di ba?
Yeah.
So, a mountain bike, lots of smiles.
Maybe that's a different neighborhood.
Pero be careful, too much smiling.
Makalunok ka ng bubuyog. John, quickly, what's the biggest difference? You've done everything, so based on today.
The biggest difference between trail riding and road cycling, I would say the level of concentration. You gotta be on a trail, you gotta be right here. Concentration's right there. You know, in a road ride, you can get into a trance. You can get into a rhythm. Here, when you get into a flow, you're still looking ahead. You're still concentrating that rock, that rock, that. So the level of concentration, I'll say.
Yan, ang daming
intensity.
Yes, maraming moving parts eh. You have to pay attention. Love it. Conrad.
Na-pressure ako. Napaisip
Hindi, kami na-pressure sa'yo. Alam mo kung bakit? Naka-jersey ka tsaka trail pants.
Siyempre.
Yan ang maganda combo, pare. Content. Anong sinabi namin? What's the difference?
Hindi ako, pagka road bike kasi, nakakatigas kasi. Hindi, core. Ng core. O kaya minsan, sabi nila, pagka nagma-road bike ka lagi, nakakatigas ang katawan. Kaya mountain bike ka minsan para may
Yes.
Ngayon ba matigas?
Matigas pa din yung core.
Yung core mo. Ayan, sige. Salamat guys. O tara, babain natin to. Technical na hindi. It's the second go around here. Alam na nila, it's our revenge round, no? Kasi medyo sablay-sablay yung una. Yeah, we're gonna do it a little more properly this time, with a bit more fun. Let's go.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
Power. Nice one, Doc. Power, John. Power. Good one. One more try, Conrad. Alay lakad. Nakalimutan ko, naka-flat pedals ako. I did an upstroke. Kaya natanggal yung paa.
There are some kasi pedals that with the pegs like he has.
Yes.
Wala?
Oo. Wala.
So those pegs into the soft sole.
Kaya.
Into your soft tissue.
One photo, ganito. Yan. Harap ka na lang, Lem. Just look for a spot there na. Oh, nice. Nature. Good.
Too much torque, nag-slide ka.
Correct.
Yes.
The challenge is the right templa.
Timpla.
You cannot be too much. And so that your weight forward naman.
Problema sa pussy gear, you spin out. Layo eh, hindi ko ma-describe, nasa likod ko. Second
But
thought.
that's okay. This is more interesting coming out.
Yeah.
It was that U-turn that I had to slow, bumped off a route.
Nako, he's tentative. Sigasa.
Lean back.
Siga. Good job. Pwede, if you want. Galing.
I said, makiupo ako. Then after a while, I was so relaxed. I said, maka-idlip lang ako. So he put out like a little...
50 minutes. Yeah, the only nap for the day.
No, it's only 10 because we were chatting with the guy.
10 lang, right? 30-minute rest, 10 of which
30
tulog.
minutes. Yeah. And then period.
Okay, power nap.
What everybody was talking to me about was not spending too much power.
Oh.
So, where I would be spending easily 2.5 watts per kilo, okay, and I can do that for quite a while.
Oh.
I was all the time spending only 1.6, 1.8.
Oh.
And with that,
Consciously.
I was very conscious.
Oh,
So I was being left behind by many. I didn't care.
Oh.
So I was like this on my road bike. I took Vivian at 1.6, 1.7 watts per kilo. I was traveling 30 kph.
Ang ganda, oh, ganda.
No, it was kind of like a steady like this. My effort was my key. Kasi namatay yung heart rate monitor ko eh. Then on the climbs, even on the climbs, I'll come down to less than 2 kilowatts, 2 watts per kilo. So iniiwan ako, I don't care.
Oh.
Ego na lang ang kalaban ko, di ba? But I'm not spending. Kasi sa gabi,
Right.
sa gabi,
Budget.
putang ina, siningil ka sa gabi.
Bakit? Pulikat, nandiyan na, tumatama na lahat.
Yung antok, yung accumulated fatigue, doon na ako medyo sincere. Then I realized, wow, I'm so glad I didn't spend so much. Because I would have been, cramping, which I did not.
Swerte rin.
So it was medyo bookish ang ginawa ko na. May I start?
Yeah.
Medyo bookish ang ginawa ko. Kasi I asked Popong, I asked Arnel, that is their advice. John, don't spend more. Si Arnel has his 25 kph on the average, may ganun siya. So I'm wondering what my game plan would be at the 6. But ang singil was after dinner. I was hungry. I was hungry already. I was telling the guys, we gotta find a place to eat. I'm fading away. I was sort of fading away.
Meron akong may saging naman, may saging, may nagaraya ako. And then walang rice meal. Tapos pagdating ng mga alas 11 yata ng gabi yun, parang 50k before
The finish?
May nag-offer ng ng lechong manok with rice. Talagang tinira ko talaga, nakadalawang plastic ako ng ganyang kanin.
Libre, may nag-aabot.
Hindi yung nakasabay ko, which is siya.
That's what I got. The bottle of water, checkpoint. After they did that, I went to the side.
Sa labas lang, sa labas.
Yan yung mga hindi mo nakikita pag mga 200, 300. Pagdating pala ng mga 400, 600 yan eh.
Tsaka makakita ng mga ritual.
Secret weapon.
Twice nag-brush.
Yeah.
Dapat pala ginawa natin sa Baguio, no?
Maiksi naman yun, but it would have helped.
Ibang pain.
Oh.
Sabihin ng wife ko, bike lang pala yung magpapatutbrush sa'yo eh. Hindi mo ginagawa sa bahay eh.
Bakit? Sinong hahalikan mo?
Yun pa.
Oh.
Naka-toothbrush. Siyempre, baka may kissing scene bigla eh.
I ended up carrying my tailwind, power banks, etc. I needed capacity. I do not like the bar bag here because I feel that it's very, very slow when you're in a headwind. So I bought from Lazada a pouch for this, and then I have a large saddle bag, a very large saddle bag there. With that, I was easily able to maintain 28 to 30 kph with only about 1.6, 1.7 watts per kilo.
Napansin ko nung nag-300 ako, kaya siya last 50 nung nag-load ako. Wow. Tapos yun, parang sarap kasing dumating sa finish line ng ano eh, nang hindi.
Oh yeah, of course.
Diba? Parang fresh ka pa rin. So iniisip ko kung 400 paano kaya
So
yun?
so the key is eating. You need real food. So kami, ako yung plano ko talaga was to break it up into. Some people will eat every 50. I couldn't do that.
Mahirap kasi magkano ka rin eh. Bibigat.
Yeah, baby. Pero alam mo, when you're fueling yourself, suddenly that filled the tank, and then I think that carried us back because of being able to fill the tank there.
So ito, no sag, but you were with, kind of with a pack, no? Sa mga magfo 400, advisable ba na to ride with a pack? Ito ang motivation na question. I don't like riding with a pack pag long distance.
Okay.
Kasi gusto ko my pace, my
Correct.
time.
Okay, I'll tell you.
Tigil ako, ayoko kitang hintayin, ayoko din magpahintay. Yung mga ganun eh. Nakakadagdag sa ano yan eh, sa pressure, and you don't need that noise, no?
Well, okay, I'm not an expert. It's only my first 400. My first 200, I pretty much went on my own. But after seeing what I went through on my own, I realized I couldn't make it back with my sanity if I was alone. Especially at night.
Okay.
During the daytime, you have the bridges that fly past you, you have the whatever tree that you're looking at.
Right.
But at night, when there's nothing to see, it's just a darkness in front of you with your beam of light.
Ayan.
The meters tick by so slowly.
Ang haba na ng ride mo, tapos pagtingin mo,
ang
what?
bagal.
300 meters lang yun?
Oh yes. It will break you. It could break you.
Yung nakasabay ko nun sa Bohol, kahit na alam, kasi talaga nag-usap kami, pare anong pace mo? Sabi niya, hindi, ano lang, 20. Hindi, sige, okay lang, sabay na tayo. Hindi, mabagal ako.
A stranger
Hindi,
to,
okay lang.
stranger.
Oo, stranger siya. Kailangan ko ng kasama kasi talagang parang mababaliw ka na dun sa, sa kalsada. Tapos napakalungkot na parang kawawa ka naman. Di ba? So, maganda yun. Oh.
Tapos may isip mo, ginusto ko to kasi.
Quick bike check ng mga bikes natin today. So this is Conrad's bike, Rock Rider. Gawang Decathlon yan. And Epixon Fork. Nagkita-kita nga kami na umaga eh. Nagkagulatan kami. Yung kami tatlong mga naka-MTB. Si Conrad, ako, and si Doc. Balik muna tayo dito. Lahat kami straight tube. As in old school kami, straight tube. Lahat kami naka-Epixon. As in basic MTB. Lahat hardtail. Lahat alloy. Ganyan lang. Simple. All business. Crank Brothers pedals. SRAM group set. This is John John's. This is his open cycle custom bamboo finish frame. Campagnolo E-Car group set. 13 speed. Terravale tires. Ganda, di ba? Gravel bike on the trails today. So this is my bike. You've seen this. May bago dito. Vittoria Mezcal tires. Epixon, straight tube, alloy, hardtail. Looks like a dirt jumper. This is Doc Lemuel's bike. This is a giant Talon. Old school, baby. Shimano Diore, Epixon. Straight tube din yan. Lumang tech. That's all you need. Tons of fun here. Rims, pula, no? Bumagay din eh. May red accents just a frame. So nice. Basic. That's all you need.